stopped recording because they bumped the button. There we go. Sometimes they don't want to be too cooperative, but okay, I need my long extension. There we go. There we go. 13 millimeter. There we go. That one went down in there now. I'm going to go around and snuggle these up, and then we're going to get the pipe wrench on that centerpiece and do that same procedure we did before, but opposite, so we can get her nice and tight. Actually, we'll put the top rad hose on. I might even do that. I can do it afterwards, it doesn't really matter. Make sure that's all even and tightened down, right? So that's key. Alright, so we're tightening it down. They're going to go ahead and put that on the shaft there. Okay, so just an update now. I got the air filter piece back installed there. I got the lines ran. Again, I ran this one above the others. It was down, stuck in there. I ran that other wire. That was the other tube that goes up into the intake here, down and back below. I got this fan, or this installed here, which I can just simply remove this off the top for the fan shroud if I have to. I just want to make sure nothing's leaking, so I'm going to run it with it exposed. I got the fan clutch on there installed, tightened up. I did the same thing I did for removal, except I had the piece lay across the middle here, so it could turn back, so I was able to tighten it downwards while this ratchet went that way to kind of block everything from turning. So we got tension on the belt, everything's lined up. So I've already filled up the antifreeze, everything's full. I did have to take out that secondary O-ring in the thermostat housing. It already had an O-ring in there, so I don't know why they want you to run two, but I wasn't able to get it. It was leaking very, very bad and sucking air, but now I've reduced it to just the one that was already molded onto it, and we're holding really good now, so I'm going to see how that goes as well. So we'll go get the keys and have them started up. We'll see what goes on.